Today is Sunday, December 7th. It's about 10:30 a.m. We are driving to the off-grid cabin. Yep, going back up for some more deer camp action. So as you have seen, the opening weekend was uneventful other than shooting a tree. And the second week of deer camp was pretty slow other than a couple of does coming through. So I am going up for the muzzleloader hunt right now. I'll be hunting this evening and all day tomorrow. It's about 23 degrees out. We had snow last night. It's beautiful out. The suns are shining. It's really bright out with all this fresh snow, but I'm feeling pretty good about it this weekend. We're gonna see what I can do with the old muzzleloader. Got the muzzleloader ready to go. The fan is a little noisy when it just starts up, but that'll quiet down here in no time. But the fire's going. It's in the 20s right now, so pretty nice. A lot of snow falling out of the trees right now. The little bit of snow we had it's fluffy. It just stuck up in the trees, but hopefully today we see a little bit of movement. Last video I kind of promised that the Star Crunch was the best little Debbie to bring in the bucks, so it didn't work, and I guess I'm gonna give it a try. We'll see what happens. I watched some videos about how these are made. I'm not too sure I want to eat these, but what the heck, a buck's a buck, right? Give it a try. No deer moving around, yeah. I did say earlier, though, there's a lot of tracks. The more I look, the more tracks I see. The deer have been very active, so. And I was thinking it was in the 20s today here. It's in the teens. It is like 11 or 12 degrees out today. I think tomorrow it's going to be somewhere in the 20s, but yeah, definitely chilly up here. The real feel is a lot lower than that, too, but. This little shooting shack's nice and warm. Well, for the most part. I mean, the floor isn't insulated, the ceiling isn't insulated, but, you know, it steams up in here pretty good. My feet are cold, but my head is sweating, so. Not sure how many people are out today, but the pressure should be down. Maybe the deer are kind of getting used to not having any pressure again, so maybe they'll be all moving around today. Just listening to the game out here quietly, waiting for something to come in. Looks like sundown is at 20 after 4, so I should be able to hunt until about 10 to 5 tonight. So, the waiting game. We'll see what happens here. Hopefully something comes sneaking in. Gosh, there's a lot of prints out here. I'm looking out here and there's in the snow, there's prints everywhere out here, so those deer are moving for sure. It is chilly outside. No deer to report. So I guess we'll just eat some supper and hang out and listen to the Packer game. Tomorrow's another day. On a brighter note, I don't have to clean out my muzzleloader because, you know, those things are kind of a pain. But anyway, it was a nice day out there, Bluebird Day. Nice and bright out, blue skies. So I'll take it. But tomorrow, maybe we'll have a little luck. Funny enough, thing is it seems like all the tracks that I'm seeing are closer to the cabin than it is to my stand. So maybe I should just hunt out of the cabin, because originally that's what this was set up for. That's why I have all the windows on the wood side, you know, so we could shoot out of them. But I think I'll go out to my new shooting shack. Nice. All right, steak is done. That's really good. Ooh, the Packers got a touchdown. I did not forget these choice baked potatoes this time. Take a little bite of this. Okay, so officially on 10 hours right now. Oh dear, running around. It is cold. Cold. Okay, folks, I got that thing that's cracked. But I tell you what, you get down here by the floor, it's still cold. It's gotta be 100 degrees up above. Water from last night, frozen solid. Whatever, it's still better than sitting on a metal tree stand. But anyway, we continue hunting. I just wanted to kind of put some wood away here. Got a spot down here that I like to put wood. I got this little shelf here, put some other stuff. You can see that's 20 degrees right there. I wonder what it is. Oh, it's cold. I'll put this up above and see what happens. I do like to put a filter in my percolator. Believe it or not, it's a pretty simple little thing. So all I gotta do is put this top on here. this on the floor for a little bit. There's chunks of ice in it too. That's something. Well, it's kind of hard to see, but it's starting to snow out. Just a little bit, some flurries. Haven't seen any deer yet. Got the fan going, keeping my coffee warm. But, yeah, it's about 10 o'clock right now. We'll see. Maybe something will come through. Like I say, yesterday there was just a ton of tracks out here, so the deer are obviously moving through here. Maybe some more at night. Almost kind of wondered if I shouldn't have hunted out of our cabin today, because I have all those windows set up on the one side there, and there was actually more tracks towards the road than there are over here, but we'll find out soon enough. Okay, it's pushing about 11:30 right now. Still haven't seen any deer. Pretty quiet out here. It seems like the snow has stopped. No, not much of anything for wind. A lot of traffic noise, but not seeing any deer. Yeah, I'm gonna just go ahead. We're gonna eat the rest of this. Just for good old time's sake. I don't fairly want to eat that much oatmeal, but I got 3 bags of that stuff left. I might as well eat it, so. Okay, so the fire's smoking outside, but we're not really getting much of anything going on in here with a fire, so we'll see what happens. So I didn't add anything to that, no gas, no lighter fluid, nothing. The stuff just sits there and smolders sometimes, and unless there's flame, you're not really putting off a whole lot of heat compared to what you could be, so I just kind of move the logs around a little bit, and then I hit them with a little flame and they go right up. It's crazy, but I'm really trying, so we'll see if we find a deer. Can't shoot them with this. I gotta use my muzzleloader. So this is gonna be my last night sitting in the stand. Staying overnight, it hit 3 below. I woke up to a little over 60 degrees in that cabin, and there is a doe hunt coming up this weekend, but it's looking like it's going to be like 12, 13 below with a high of about 3 or 4. That cabin's going to be cold, so I'm probably not going to participate in the doe hunt this weekend. If I do, you'll see maybe a short blip on there, but I'll probably just take a walk up here or walk around the woods. That'll be it. I probably won't be staying up here. But with that, we're going to hunt till dark, see if we can't seal the deal here finally. And I just wanted to throw something out there. I wanted to thank everybody for watching these videos. Since my first deer hunting video this year, my channel has grown. It's doubled in size, and I appreciate, everybody that has been watching, and, I just, I want to keep that momentum going. So as I sit here, not looking at deer, I look at my woods, and I see a lot of different things that I need to do. I need shooting lanes, I need food plots, I need some other stuff, but I have a very unhealthy forest at this point. So what I will be doing is I'm going to be contacting my area forester from the DNR, and we're going to sit down and discuss what I can do to make this better, because as these oaks all fall down, the maples come in so quick behind them, and I don't know if that's really going to sustain a healthy forest or not, or if we should have more variety. So I'd like to do a little bit of work on the edges of all my swamps. I got yellow grass swamps, I got tag alder swamps, I've got opportunities there to get some different shrubs and whatnot growing that wildlife will like to eat.
sun is officially down. We are under 30 minutes left of the hunting hours. It's kind of that golden time when the deer kind of move a little bit more. So, well, folks, shooting hours are officially over. And so is my deer season, I guess. It's amazing how these videos look so much brighter out than what they are. I'll probably be needing the flashlight to get out of here. But the snow really brightens things up. Well, so much for this season, but I'm already looking forward and excited for going out next season. Next season will be better. I hope. It'll be better. It's got to be. What a fun season. No deer, still had a blast. See you next year. You know, I do want to thank everybody for sticking it out in the stand with me here. You know, since that second day when I got the only shot off, you know, and sticking it out with everybody, you know, between me sitting here and the boys out in their stand, you know, I know it gets kind of boring when there's no action, no deer going in front of the camera, and you know, no harvesting of any big bucks. You know, and I'm not that channel. I've just got a little piece of land up in Wood County, Wisconsin. You know, my 35 acres of bliss up here. So I do what I can with what I got, and I just try to make it better. But thanks for you know, sticking it out, watching, you know, what we do, and you know, enjoying deer camp and being part of our deer camp with us. You know, you can see what's happening, and then yeah, next year you're invited back.